In today's video, I am going to teach you how to understand lot sizes on Pepperstone. Begin by making sure you are already logged into your Pepperstone Trader platform. Once you are inside the platform, open the chart for the trading instrument you want to trade. This could be a Forex pair, an index, a commodity, or another available market. The important part is to have the correct chart open before reviewing the order settings. Next, click New Order or use the Order panel on the right side of the platform. This will open the trade entry area where you can review the settings related to your position size and order details. In this section, look for the quantity field. On Pepperstone Trader, the quantity is measured in lots, so this is the field that controls how large or small your trade will be. Click inside the lots field to adjust the value. You can type in a different lot size depending on the size of trade you want to place. For example, you might enter 0.01 for a very small trade, 0.10 for a slightly larger one, or 1.00 for a full standard lot. You can also enter another value if your trading plan calls for a different position size. As you change the lot size, pay attention to how the platform updates the estimated margin and pip value automatically. This is one of the easiest ways to understand what lot sizes mean in practical terms. A smaller lot size will usually require less margin and produce a smaller pip value. A larger lot size will generally require more margin and create a larger pip value. Watching these figures change helps you see how your trade exposure increases or decreases with each adjustment. Take a moment to compare a few different lot sizes. Enter one value, review the updated figures, then try another. This will help you understand how each size affects your total trade size and potential risk. Once you have compared the available options, choose the lot size that matches your trading plan and your risk management approach. Before placing the trade, verify that the selected lot size is displayed correctly in the order panel. This final check helps make sure your order matches the exact size you intend to trade. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.